Hey, what's up my cruisers? In this one I'll be showing you the best Landcruiser 80 series cup holders. Link in the description if you want to buy this or check it out for yourself. Comes in tan, black, and gray. $65, so let's check it out. So here's the old cup holder that I had. I mean, it's a good one too. It's by I forgot the company name that makes it, but it's only stuck together with double-sided tape. And I mean, I lost one of the coasters right here, but you can adjust it as well. See, like right here. So if you had a bigger drink, you could make it smaller or bigger. The size right there. I lost the other one on this side. But the difference is I noticed, as you can tell, this one looks a little more, I would say flimsier, but it's definitely not as thick as this one. See how thick this one is compared to this one? The thickness on it. Yeah. So this one has one adjuster too. Doesn't come with another one, I don't know. And there's like two nails right here, so you screw them right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark that. And then I guess you could put something right here, like, I don't know. Just for reference, you can put like a pin there, a couple pins, maybe a flashlight, or you could put a pin right here. Yeah, pin fits right there. There you go. And then you can put your phone right here. So let's see. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna screw it on. So we're gonna get this alcohol pad because we're gonna wipe it down. We're gonna wipe this down some more. So we're gonna use the double-sided tape on here. And I guess you could just double-sided tape if you wanted it. If you just wanted to tape it on there, you could too, because it comes with tape down here as well. But I'd rather just screw it down because I don't think I'm gonna change this one. I'm gonna put this back on here. I don't know how you guys open these, but I always have a hard time opening these, so let's open these up.
Several song-filled hours later.
Alright, 5 minutes later, finally able to do it, so don't worry about that too much though, because we're still gonna screw it on. So if you don't want to screw it on, well, it seems pretty sturdy already like that. It's not really gonna come off unless you knock it down or something with your leg, if you kick it. But we don't want to remove this, so we're gonna have it on here permanently. Goes in there like that, one-handed, one screw in. Now I'll put the two more screws to put in right here, and we should be done. Now we just got to put it back. Okay, so let's see if this will fit now. Now we just screw these on, should be good. So there you have it, nice and sturdy. It is not coming off anymore. Double-sided tape, I put double-sided tape, and we put the screws in. I wouldn't screw it too hard because, you know, I don't want the plastic to break. So I would just screw it in, but not super hard. And for those wondering, this is how it looks like on the other side. So
I don't use these buttons because they don't really work. But if you want to use your second and your power button, you can still press them. See this little gap right here? Really well thought out product actually. You never have enough cup holders, so if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think if you have the same cup holder. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, the AZcruiser out.